H&N Craft.
Hello friends, welcome back to H&N Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make this adorable card. So let's move on to how to make it.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh.
craft is ready. You can see our card looks very adorable, and the flowers are all making it more pretty. If someone gives me this kind of card, I will be very impressed. You can see it is so nice. You can write anything inside it. You can even give it as a birthday card, or you can give it as a Valentine's Day card, Teacher's Day card, or Children's Day card, any occasional card. Okay, so if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye bye.